Hi, this is Professor Rakesh Chobisa, head of the physics department, BITS Pilani campus, and I'm here to brief about the department, mainly the academic and the research and other activities of the department. Let me talk about the history of the department. BITS Pilani came into existence as a deemed to be university in 1964. And the Department of Physics dates back to the same time, 1964. So it came into existence in 1964 as a department. Even before 1964, the department existed as a part of Birla College of Science. At present, in the physics department, we have 21 faculty members who are working on different areas of research. The physics department offers integrated MSc program, and apart from that, department also offers PhD program and a certificate program that is minor in physics. So in the MSc physics program, the admission is through centralized BITS admission test, BITSET, and normally on average we take 75 students for Pilani campus, and for the single degree it takes 4 years to complete the MSc degree. While many students explore the dual degree program admitted to MSc programs, for them it is 5 years programs, and when they complete both the degrees they get MSc in physics and BE in the other engineering discipline. Apart from that, we offer a certificate program that is minor in physics for the engineering students, mainly BE students. So from their elective slots, or mainly open electives, they can judiciously choose around 5 electives among the electives chosen by the physics department to complete the certificate programs. And when they are completed those electives, then they get the certificate in minor in physics program. And apart from that, we also offer the PhD program. Concerning the research, the faculty colleagues work in different areas of physics, both in the experimental and theoretical part. Mainly, most of the faculty colleagues work in condensed matter physics for both theory and experiment. And apart from the condensed matter physics, faculty colleagues also work in other areas like nuclear and particle physics, cosmology, astronomy and astrophysics, atomic and molecular physics, biophysics, etc., etc. Currently, we have around 30 PhD students working here, and they are mainly funded either by institute or by sponsored projects. In the last 5 years, we have been supported at individual levels by DST, ISRO, and other funding agencies. The physics department is also supported by DST under DST FIST program, and we have 2 crore of funding in this. And from this funding, we have installed state-of-the-art X-ray facilities, and we are also procuring some more equipments under this grant. And the physics department colleagues are publishing papers in very reputed journals like journals from APS, IOP, Elsewhere, Springer's, and so on. With this, I stop my briefing about the department. So if you have any query regarding department, you can contact me on my email address. Thank you.